Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake and decorate it at home. Begin by assembling ingredients and tools, then measure everything precisely. Cream butter and sugar until fluffy, add eggs one at a time, and alternate dry and wet ingredients. Mix gently to avoid developing gluten, then pour batter into prepared pans and bake until a toothpick comes out clean. Cool completely before decorating with frosting and toppings for best results. Start by ensuring all ingredients are at room temperature to create a smooth batter. Creaming butter and sugar traps air, which helps cake rise, and folding rather than beating preserves that light structure. Use the correct pan size and line it for easy removal, then monitor baking time closely since ovens vary. Test doneness with a toothpick, then cool pans on a rack before turning cakes out for decorating and filling later. After your cake is fully cooled, apply a thin crumb coat and chill briefly to set it. Use an offset spatula and turntable for smooth, even frosting, and warm the spatula under hot water for cleaner edges. Practice basic piping tips for borders and rosettes, and incorporate texture with sprinkles, fruit, or chocolate curls. Keep designs simple for cakes at home, and focus on flavor as much as appearance for best results.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.